Assalamualaikum and good evening to my lecturer, Dr. Siti Rahayu binti Abdul Aziz, and also to everyone who are watching this presentation. So my name is Ahmad NAZHAN bin Lawrence from class CDCS 2555B. Uh, so today I'm going to present my case study, which is home network under course Network Design and Management, ITT550. The internet plays a crucial role in our daily life, connecting a wide variety of devices such as laptops, smartphones, smart TVs, and gaming consoles. In this case study, I analyzed the home network setup of a two 2,480 square feet house with six family members, which is my house. Despite subscribing to a 100 Mbps Unifi plan, the household typically experiences only 30 to 50 Mbps. This indicates performance issues. This presentation discusses the current setup and the proposed improvement for better speed, security, and scalability. Moving on into hierarchical network design, I have prepared two types of diagram, which is a logical network design and physical network design. This logical network design diagram illustrates the hierarchical structure of the current home network, which is divided into three layers: core layer, distribution layer, and access layer. For the first one, which is core layer, on the top, represented by the cloud symbol and labeled as Internet, this layer connects the home network to the outside world, essentially allowing access to websites, cloud service, streaming platforms, and more. It is the backbone that ensures high-speed data delivery. Secondly, distribution layer, which contains the modem and the router. The modem acts as the bridge between the ISP and the internal network. It converts the internet signal from the service provider into a form that can be used by the home devices. The modem is directly connected to the wireless router below it. Uh, we have the wireless router, which is the central to the home network. The router distributes internet access to virus and user device. And lastly, the access layer. As shown in the diagram, the router is connect wirelessly to a wide range of devices, including smartphone, smart TVs, tablets, and laptops. This network, this logical network design uh, follows the standard hierarchical model used in both home and enterprise network. It simplifies troubleshooting, improves performance by segmenting traffic flow, and makes the network easier to manage the scale. This physical network design diagram represents the flow plan of the home network setup. It shows how internet devices are distributed throughout the household to ensure connectivity across all living space. The house measures approximately 62 feet by 40 feet, totaling around 2,480 square feet. It includes essential rooms like four bedrooms, two living rooms, one dining room, a kitchen, three bathrooms, and a Laundry area. Each area contains specific smart devices connected to the network. This physical design highlights both the diversity of devices and the importance of strategic router placement. However, due to the house size and room layout, signal strength likely varies, especially in corners like bedroom 1 and the laundry. This reinforces the need for a mesh Wi-Fi system or additional access point to ensure stable and even coverage. Moving on to the roles and responsibility of each layer. For the core layer, it ensures high-speed data transport, redundancy, and scalability. For the distribution layer, it aggregates traffic, implements policies, and acts as the boundary for broadcast domains and VLANs. Lastly, the access layer. It connects end user devices, enforce security at the edge, and provide initial connectivity. Moving on to the cabling details, the home network uses fiber optic cabling, which is known for the high bandwidth and long distance transmission. For the core of the fiber optic is 50 slash 125 micrometer or UM. For the bandwidth, it is up to 4 gigahertz and the wavelength at 850 Newton meter or Nm, 1300 Newton meter LED sources. And lastly, the distance is under 2 kilometers. For the home network, we have two internet working devices. The first one is wireless router. More specifically, Unified RG D-Link DIR 842. It is known for dual band, having four antennas and support WPA and WPA2 security. Secondly, we have the modem, specifically ZTE ZHN F620. It is known for high-speed data transfer, having 2.4 gig per second download. Wired connection only. These devices form the core of the connectivity but are limited in terms of coverage and performance under high device load. For the network traffic analysis, two tests were conducted. The first one is throughput, also known as the speed test. Tool used is speedtest.net, having the result as shown: download speed 34.6 Mbps, meanwhile upload speed 11.2 Mbps. Although the subscribed unified package provides 100 Mbps, the actual speed is significantly lower, likely due to high device usage and Wi-Fi signals interference in part of the house. And the second test is latency, or also known as the ping test, where I use command prompt and ping the Google, having the result as shown. Average latency is 28 ms. Latency is within acceptable range for everyday activities like browsing and streaming. However, for gaming or video conferencing, this may still result in minor lags if network congestion occurs. Moving on to the evaluation of the current home network. The current design lack of key security features such as a firewall in the core layer. All devices connecting to one wireless router, causing network congestion. Furthermore, the absence of wired connection to major devices like smart TVs compromise the stability of the network. From the evaluation, we have known what to suggest for the network performance improvement. We have three parts. The first part is performance enhancement. Upgrade to a Wi-Fi 6 router with a wider range and multiple antennas. And also, secondly, implement a mesh Wi-Fi system for full home coverage. For the second part, in terms of security measure, uh, add a firewall at the core layer and enable SPI, port filtering, and create a guest network. Lastly is scalability, mesh or install a mesh network or mesh Wi-Fi, because mesh network allows seamless connection of multiple devices and extend coverage to all corners. And obviously, the improvement to the home networks brings a lot of benefits. The first one, faster speed, reduced latency, and balanced bandwidth. Secondly, mesh Wi-Fi eliminates the Wi-Fi dead zones. Third, the firewall and guest networks enhance the security. Fourth, the support for more devices with consistent performance. And lastly, the router apps allow monitoring, parental control, and prioritization. Upon having suggestion for the improvement of the home network, We will also need a new logical and physical home network design. As shown, this new logical network design improves upon the existing network by enhancing performance, security, and scalability. It introduced new components such as a firewall and a mesh Wi-Fi system, while maintaining the core hierarchical structure intact. For the core layer, it remains the Internet gateway, but now it includes a firewall between the Internet and the modem. This is a critical addition for network security because it protects against unauthorized access and cyber threats by filtering incoming and outgoing traffic. Secondly, on the distribution layer, we still have the modem, but now it connects to both a main router and a mesh Wi-Fi system. This dual connection allows for better coverage throughout the house, especially in the rooms that previously had weak signals. The mesh Wi-Fi nodes work with the main router to create a unified network, automatically directing devices to the best node based on location. This eliminates dead zones and reduces network congestion. And lastly, the access layer. The access layer connects all end user devices, including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and laptops. With the mesh network in place, all these devices now receive equal bandwidth allocation and more stable signal strength regardless of their location in the house. So the key to be highlighted in this new logical network design is the first one is firewall. The firewall ensures network protection and isolate threat. Secondly, the mesh Wi-Fi boosts coverage to every room. Third, the improved bandwidth management support more devices with consistent speed. And lastly, the logical separation of layer makes the network easier to maintain and expand. This new design addresses all major issues from the previous setup: signal drops, limited coverage, and lack of security. By integrating advanced components like firewall protection and a mesh Wi-Fi system, it ensures every user and every device in their home enjoys fast, secure, and reliable internet access. Moving on to the new physical network design suggestion, the main improvement in this layout is the strategic placement of the router and the mesh Wi-Fi unit in the mini library, which is near the center of the house. This central location allows for better signal propagation throughout all rooms and minimizing dead zones. From the mini library, the signal can evenly reach nearby areas such as the living room, dining area, kitchen, and bedroom. 3. Mesh units placed near this central point ensure that outlying areas like the laundry, master bedroom, and bedroom 1 still receive strong, uninterrupted signal. So, the improved coverage benefits is the master bedroom now has reliable signal for laptops and tablets. Bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 receive better connectivity for gaming and productivity. The living room remains optimal for streaming and shared device. Laundry and kitchen areas also benefit from the consistent low interface signal. Along with the improved coverage, the new setup integrates the use of a firewall device, ensuring that all connected devices across the house are protected from external threats. The use of modem router and mesh units ensures support for Wi-Fi 6, where it enhances both speed and device handling. This new physical layout eliminates weak zones, improves bandwidth management, and supports a growing number of smart devices in the home. By placing the router centrally and using mesh technology, the entire home receives balanced and secure connectivity, making it a future ready and efficient for digital lifestyle. These are the highlights of the suggestion or the new internet working device. The first one is the wireless router. Using the brand Archer AX10, it is a security software and suitable for any kind of entertainment. Secondly, the mesh Wi-Fi. using the brand TP-Link Deco X20, and known for ultra low latency, affordable, and a total security. And last but not least, the firewall, using the brand Ubiquiti Unified Security Gateway, and it is known for quiet and fanless operation, and also remote monitoring and management through the GUI. In conclusion, to meet modern digital demands, a robust and secure home network is necessary. Current issues such as poor speed, limited range, and lack of security can be solved with upgraded devices such as mesh networking and firewall. These upgrades not only ensure faster, safer internet, but also prepare the network for future technology needs. So we have come to the end of the presentation of the home network case study. That's all from me, and thank you everyone for watching.